Hi guys, welcome back. I know I'm wearing literally the same damn thing as I was wearing in the Lilith line, but it's because today's the only day that I can film. So I'm literally just trying to knock out as many videos as I can today. So I'm sure you guys won't mind though. Like, I pre-record all the time and whatever. Like, I'm gonna keep it real with you guys. Like, this is the only time I can film, so this is how I'm gonna sit on camera. So if you're wondering why I'm wearing the same thing, that's why. But today we're going to be talking about the Leblanc line. So it's another continuation of the Chanel Skincare 101 series. And today we're going to be talking about the Leblanc line. So I feel like the Leblanc line doesn't actually get a lot of recognition as much as it should, just because, I don't know, like everybody's more into anti-aging. It's usually the Asians that like that bright, clear, radiant skin. Like they want the skin that looks like a pearl. But this line is literally for everybody. I want to get one thing straight though, it's not a bleaching line or anything. Like, it's not going to make your skin look whiter, like nothing like that, but it's gonna make your skin look more radiant, more bright. Like, if someone comes to me and they're like, oh, I feel like my skin's looking a little dull, or like I feel like my skin looks uneven and I want something to correct that, I would immediately go to the Leblanc line, just because that kind of addresses unevenness, radiance, all that. So let's go ahead and hop into that today. So the first thing in the line is the Leblanc Triphase Makeup Remover. It literally comes out a gel, and as you massage it, it becomes, it kind of breaks down into more of an oil, and it just helps melt off all your makeup. It is eye safe. It doesn't burn my eyes or anything, and I do use this pretty much every day. It's either this one or the Sublimage cleanser. I'll use that to kind of break down my makeup. And the thing about this one is that it's kind of like the first step in face washing. So what I was taught that in Asia, this is actually a very popular method where you wash your face a few times actually. So this one would be the first step in the whole face wash thing, where it just kind of breaks down everything, melts down everything, removes everything. And then you would go in with the Leblanc foam cleanser, and what this does is that it's just going to remove any residue from this, and it's going to keep your face looking very clean, and it's just going to remove everything else that you have. So phase 1, phase 2, and this used in conjunction is just going to help with the evenness of your skin. This cleanser, because it has the product TXC in it, well, actually the entire line has the backbone of the entire line is TXC extract, and it is something that Chanel pretty much just researched for years, and of course it's patented. So that is the backbone that's included in all of Chanel's skincare research for the Leblanc line. What TXC does is that it pretty much just delivers 12 hours of intensive radiance and evening of the complexion. So it's going to work continuously and intensely for 12 hours to give you that bright complexion that you like. Another product in the Leblanc line is called the 2-Year Pearl Extract. And I have my notes right here, that's why I'm looking. It's derived from cultivated Japanese Akoya pearls, and it provides intense hydration while smoothing the skin. It is enriched with glycine, a potent protein component that delivers visible improvement in the appearance of dull skin, enhanced radiance with clarity of the complexion, and boosted hydration to help restore skin's natural suppleness. Not my words, these are Chanel's words. So I could do a little more research on Akoya pearls if you want, but I don't think it's gonna do much. As a biochemist, I always like to do the research, so I'm always like, so Chanel just doesn't do regular pearl extract, it's 2-Year Pearl Extract, but putting pearl topically on your skin and even ingesting pearl has, in Eastern medicine and in Western medicine, has proven to just give you a lot of health benefits, but also it really does help with the brightness and evenness of your skin. This has been something that like has been ingrained into me since I was little. So I don't know if that's maybe why I believe in the pearl extract so much, but I feel like just I don't know, it's like, it's a proven fact that pearls just help with your skin. So instead of just regular pearl extract, it's 2-Year Pearl Extract in Chanel's case. Okay, another cleansing product that I don't have with me just because I don't know, I had no desire to acquire it. It's the Pearl Soap, and I'm gonna include a picture of it right here. So the Pearl soap is another cleanser. It's literally a bar soap. It's a cleanser in bar soap form, and it's just gonna help remove your makeup. It's gonna make your skin squeaky clean. It does come with a dish, but I don't know, I'm not a fan of like bar soaps just because I feel like it just like it goes so fast. So that's why I prefer this, but I forgot what this is called. I prefer the cleanser, but a lot of people do like the Pearl just because it's easier to travel with. It is a solid, so it's, you know, TSA approved and all that, but that's why people like it, maybe just because it's more travel friendly. But it's kind of a to each his own. It's a cleanser in bar soap form. Next is the Leblanc Brightening Moisturizing Lotion. So this is the Leblanc toner. Use it right after you cleanse your face, and it does have magnetic water complex in it, just like most of Chanel's toners, and it's just going to help with rebalancing your skin. It's going to help refine your skin, it's going to help hydrate your skin, and it does have the 2-year pearl extract in it and the magnetic water complex. The magnetic water complex is just going to help complement the 2-year pearl extract. So this one does have glycine in it, and what it's going to do is just going to help the product stick to the skin, so you're going to see more refined, more evenness, more radiance. So this lotion is just meant to complement all the products in the entire Leblanc line. It's a really good toner. This is actually really popular. A lot of people always come and get the toner, so I mean, it must be good. Next product is the Spot Treatment Duo. There is a night one and a day one. So it does come in 2 pens, and it has a very flexible silicone application tip. One caveat with this before I even like jump into this is that people will come back and be like, okay, it doesn't work, it ran out. It does come with a little flexible button right here, and you're meant to go ahead and squeeze out the product. But what people don't get is that you can't hold it upright like this and just pump, because you can literally pump this until you're blue in the face and no product is going to come out. What you need to do is let gravity do its work. Just keep your hand on the button, and just the product will automatically release itself. And because of the flexible tip, all you have to do is apply it, you know, 1 stick is for the day and 1 stick is for the night, and just apply it to any problematic areas that you have, any areas that you want to just treat, and that's just gonna help even out your skin. Okay, so you're probably asking, there's a day and a night one, what the heck is the difference? So the day one actually has geranium extract, and what it does is that it helps fight any UV rays that you experience, and it's just gonna help with any pollution that you experience, and it's just going to help diminish the dark spots that you already have. And the night one has alpinia extract in it, so what it does is that it helps with skin renewal. So during the day, it's gonna help fight off what you have, and what this does is that it fights off any spots that are in production, so this helps prevent. So this fights off what you have, and this helps prevent new dark spots. So with the combination of these two, it's going to fight what you have already, and it's going to prevent new ones from coming. So it's going to help maintain the evenness and the balance of your skin, and it's just going to help it look more radiant. This would be ideal for those who only have like a few spots that they're worried about. If you have like multiple spots that you're more concerned about, I would definitely go with the serum that I'm going to talk about next, because this is, you know, it's a spot treatment. So if you have like a certain spot that you're just really fixated on, or like a spot here and there, this would be perfect for you. But if you're just more concerned about overall radiance, I would definitely go with the Leblanc Serum Healthy Light Creator. This is the newly reformulated serum in the Leblanc line, and this is probably my favorite product in the entire Chanel skincare line. So this is newly just reformulated, and they added the umi flower extract in it, which I absolutely love. Like, I have been using this religiously day and night, and I've seen the biggest difference in my skin. Like, I used to have like just this hyperpigmentation on my cheeks, and it's been not completely, but like I've seen a significant decrease in it. This serum definitely works. Like, if you have any unevenness and you just want to even out your skin tone and just give it more radiance, this serum is definitely the way to go. It's just amazing. It does have TXC extract in it. It has the pearl extract. So a lot of people will be like, well, why did you reformulate it? Like, I love the old one so much. It's amazing. And you know what? When I compare the two, this one, it really does work better, because I was using the old formula before this one came out, and I definitely did see a difference with this one. When you try it on your hand, you're going to see that this one does absorb into the skin faster, and the other one just kind of sits on top of your skin. So that's another big difference. But overall, if you're looking for a treatment that's going to just even out your skin tone, give it the radiance. Like if you want something that's basically going to make your skin look perfect, like a pearl, I would definitely recommend this one. It is kind of an expensive serum. It's $195, but it's a really good serum because literally any hyperpigmentation, any unevenness that I had, it's essentially gone because of this. Okay, last product in the line is the Leblanc Moisturizing Cream. It does come in a frosted glass bottle, jar, frosted glass jar, and it does look like this. So in the US, we actually only offer one texture, but if you go literally anywhere else, it offers 3 textures. In the US, if you compare it, this is the rich one. So like all the other lines have like a fine, like a fine, a cream, and a creme rich. This one is the richest texture, and like I said, in the US, we only offer one texture. But this is the moisturizing cream, so it's a moisturizer, but it does have the TXC extract and it does have the 2-year pearl extract. And so this is just gonna help brighten your skin, just overall moisturize, but it's gonna help just with the radiance and the evenness of your skin. If you just go ahead and use this alone, like at the end of the day, this is just a moisturizer. So its main concern, its main purpose is going to moisturize your skin. If you have very little unevenness and very little spots and you just want, just a little something to help even out your skin, then I would go with this one because it does have the same extracts. It's not as potent as the serum. If you have very few problems on your skin, very few, like your skin's not that dull, but you want just a little more brightness and a little more evenness, this would be like a good all-in-one for you because it's going to address those little issues that you have, but it's overall going to moisturize your skin. But if you want a lot more evenness, a lot more radiance, and just more pearlescent skin, if you want more dramatic results, this isn't going to be enough for you. You would definitely need to couple this with the serum. This in conjunction with the serum is going to work miracles for your skin. But if you just want like a moisturizer that's going to help just even out your skin a little bit, give it a little more radiance, this one would be your bad boy. This is actually really heavy. So this would be a really good moisturizer for you. I feel like I zoomed through that one really fast, but I hope you guys found it helpful anyway. If you have any more comments, anything that I didn't really cover, go ahead and ask me down below. I know I didn't really dive into the whole TXC. It's because in school they didn't really go over it a lot. Leblanc isn't a line that I really typically sell. The only product that I really sell like hotcakes is the Leblanc serum, and it's because I really swear by it. Like, I love it so much. But that's why I didn't really dive into it, because I don't have too much information on it. But I just really wanted to go through the products and just explain to you guys what it does, how it feels, and all that. But overall, like, if you want me to like just give you more information on TXC and pearl extract, I can. But it's just, I mean, TXC is just a component that just like 3.5 DA or just like any other component or compound that I've mentioned before, it's something that's developed in a lab from Chanel. I believe TXC is a synthetic component produced in a lab though, so I need to check in on that, but I'll let you guys know in the comment or in the description down below. But yeah, if you have any more questions, of course, feel free to comment down below, message me, text me, whatever it is. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Subscribe if you haven't already, give it a thumbs up if you haven't already, and I will see you guys again next time. Bye.